Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your country in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here in the Zalando app, it usually opens up in the shopping menu where you can browse different kinds of clothes, different shoes, accessories. But from this menu, we have to go into the profile menu. The little person icon in the top right corner. We tap on this, and then in the overview section, we find app settings. If we tap on app settings, then this menu opens up, and at the top, we can select our country. If we tap on this, then here from this list, we can select the country from which we are using this app. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.